YouTube automation, streamlining content production, and monetization processes. Welcome to Income Ideas Insider. YouTube has emerged as a dominant force in the digital world, revolutionizing how content is consumed and created. With over 2 billion logged-in monthly users, it's not just a platform, it's a cultural phenomenon. However, behind the scenes of every successful YouTube channel lies a myriad of tasks and strategies necessary for content production, distribution, and monetization. As the platform has evolved, so too have the demands on creators. From maintaining a consistent upload schedule to maximizing revenue streams, creators face numerous challenges in managing their channels efficiently. In response, automation has become a valuable ally, offering tools and techniques to streamline these processes, allowing creators to focus on what matters most, creating engaging content and connecting with their audience. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. Number 10. Content scheduling and publishing automation. Consistency is key in the world of YouTube, and maintaining a regular upload schedule is crucial for audience retention and growth. However, manually scheduling and publishing videos can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Automation tools like Buffer or Hootsuite offer solutions by allowing creators to schedule uploads in advance, ensuring that content is released at optimal times for maximum visibility and engagement. Number 9. Keyword research and SEO optimization. With millions of videos uploaded to YouTube every day, standing out from the crowd can be a daunting task. Keyword research and search engine optimization, SEO, are essential strategies for increasing visibility and attracting organic traffic to your videos. Automation tools such as TubeBuddy or vidIQ simplify this process by providing insights into trending keywords, analyzing competitor strategies, and optimizing video metadata for improved discoverability. Number 8. Audience engagement automation. Building a loyal and engaged audience is key to long-term success on YouTube. However, responding to comments, messages, and social media interactions can be overwhelming, especially as your channel grows. Automation tools like ChatGPT or ManyChat offer solutions by automating responses, scheduling social media posts, and managing communication channels, allowing creators to stay connected with their audience while saving time and effort. Number 7. Monetization management. Monetizing content is crucial for many creators to sustain their channels and pursue their passions full-time. Yet managing revenue streams like ads, sponsorships, and merchandise can be complex and time-consuming. Automation tools such as Google AdSense or Patreon offer invaluable support. They provide insights into earnings, automate ad placements, and streamline transactions with sponsors and patrons. This allows creators to shift their focus back to what they do best, creating content. With automation handling the financial side, creators can dedicate more time and energy to producing high-quality videos and engaging with their audience. Number 6. Analytics and performance tracking. Understanding your video's performance is crucial for channel growth. Automation tools like Google Analytics or YouTube Analytics provide detailed insights into metrics such as watch time, audience demographics, and engagement levels. These insights empower creators to make data-driven decisions, optimizing their content and marketing strategies for maximum impact. By leveraging automation to track performance metrics, creators can identify areas for improvement and capitalize on trends, ultimately driving growth and success on their YouTube channels. Number 5. Content repurposing. Creating high-quality content is time-consuming and resource-intensive, so maximizing its value is essential. Content repurposing involves adapting existing content for use on different platforms or in different formats, extending its reach and lifespan. Automation tools like Repurpose.io or Zapier can automate this process, automatically repurposing videos into blog posts, social media updates, or podcast episodes, allowing creators to reach new audiences with minimal effort. Number 4. Collaboration and workflow automation. Collaboration is key for many creators who work with teams to produce content. However, coordinating workflows and managing communication can be challenging, particularly with remote team members. Automation tools like Slack or Asana provide solutions by automating task assignments, notifications, and file sharing. By streamlining collaboration, these tools improve productivity and efficiency, allowing team members to focus on their respective tasks without getting bogged down by administrative work. With automation handling the logistics, creators and their teams can work more seamlessly together, ultimately leading to better content and stronger channels. Number 3. Legal and compliance automation. Ensuring compliance with copyright laws, community guidelines, and advertising policies is paramount for maintaining a channel's integrity and avoiding penalties like demonetization or account suspension. Automation tools such as Content ID or Href play a crucial role in this regard. They help creators identify and manage copyright claims, monitor content usage, and ensure compliance with platform policies. By automating these processes, creators can reduce the risk of legal issues and protect their channel's reputation, allowing them to focus on creating content without worrying about potential violations or penalties. Number 2. Live stream automation. Live streaming has surged in popularity on YouTube, presenting creators with a distinctive chance to interact with their audience in real time. Yet, orchestrating live broadcasts can pose challenges, demanding meticulous planning and coordination. Automation tools like Streamlabs or OBS Studio step in to alleviate these burdens. They provide features such as automated alerts, chat moderation, and stream scheduling, enriching the live streaming experience for creators and viewers alike. By automating these aspects, creators can focus more on engaging with their audience and delivering compelling content, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable live streaming experience for everyone involved. Number 1. Email marketing automation. Building and nurturing an email list is an effective way to engage with your audience outside of YouTube and drive traffic to your channel. However, manually managing email marketing campaigns can be time-consuming and inefficient. Automation tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit offer solutions by automating email list management, segmenting subscribers, and scheduling email campaigns, allowing creators to reach their audience with targeted messaging while saving time and effort. Conclusion: YouTube automation offers creators a wide range of tools and techniques to streamline content production and monetization processes, allowing them to focus on what they do best, creating engaging content and connecting with their audience. By leveraging automation tools effectively, creators can save time, improve efficiency, and ultimately grow their channels more successfully in the competitive landscape of online video content. Whether it's scheduling uploads, optimizing content for search engines, or managing revenue streams, automation empowers creators to take their channels to the next level and achieve their goals. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.